Hariom, Namaskar, Sadar Abhivadan. A very good morning to all the international listeners. Today, here I am to brief you about WSSF, its constitution. A brief introduction about WSSF. WSSF stands for World Scientific and Spiritual Foundation. We are using WSSF in short. In Hindi, it is written Vishwa Vaigyanik एवं आध्यात्मिक प्रतिष्ठान. Once again, in Hindi, short form VVAPRA, followed by the first letter of each every Hindi words. WSSF is an Indian organization founded in India, founded by an Indian. It was founded by Prabhakar Tiwari, it's myself, I am Prabhakar Tiwari. To work in country welfare, to work in human welfare, public welfare, leading towards global peace, world peace. WSSF is certified, registered under Government of India Act, and its initiatives, its work report, and its services in human welfare has already been appreciated and awarded by Government of India, central government as well as state government. So what WSSF is doing? WSSF is working basically in social welfare, in public welfare, in human welfare with sustainable development, thereby keeping our ecosystem balanced. These days, WSSF is running health awareness and yoga training campaign in association with Swasth Bharat Kendra and SSVK to uplift the health standards of country people in India, quality health standards, so that everyone could be healthy with yoga science, with yogic aspects of good health. It's a sustainable, it's a holistic and alternative way of keeping yourself very much healthy. Slowly and slowly you becomes very changed person. Not only changed person, but with reformed biochemistry, with reformed metabolism, with reformed immunity, and finally with reformed personality. So all the services, it means all the services or most of the services of WSSF are free, being run free of cost in public welfare. Apart from this, last year more than 100 of civils in Delhi NCR were conducted free of cost in public welfare, in which all the Kendriya Vidyalayas were covered. It was started with after the discussion, after the interaction with Commissioner, KBS Commissioner, so that health standards of the students could be uplifted. Once they start following yogic principles in their daily routine and they start following, keeping these practices in their daily routine on regular basis, then surely their health reform, health stamina, health productivity, or their education productivity is no doubt going to enhance, going to increase, and thereby they will be more efficient. So it all were run free of cost. All the expenditures were managed by organization WSSF itself. So this is actual and real public welfare organization, social welfare organization. It's an institution also who is which is being run for yogic training and several disciplinary training, which already has been discussed in objective and aims. In the last video I discussed about the aims and objective of organization. On those, all the objectives, all the aims, organization is working very spontaneously and with a very much honest effort, with a very dynamic effort also, with every possible way. In every possible way, organization is trying to make a difference for the people of India, to reform a state into a better state. So this is all about the WSSF organization. It was working of WSSF organization was very old. Organization was working from last many years, more than 10 years, but it was working, all the works were being done, all the initiatives were being run in public welfare without registration, without certification. Though it was there, the name was there, but officially it was registered later with the government. So but right now presently we are registered, organization is registered, certified, appreciated and awarded by government. So all the services are being run by organization, is duly approved, checked thoroughly by the WSSF office. You also find any member, any convener from WSSF, then understand it with the official letter. They must have an official release about the approval of the campaign or approval of the program which they are going to conduct. So this is all about WSSF. Now WSSF has started this online platform to interact with people. Why? Because to make them understand about some health aspects, to reform their health. So regularly WSSF is going to interact. I will be interacting, some of the member will interact with you, some of the faculty of organization is going to interact with you with various health tips, with various different aspects of health, how we can improve it, how we can improve our disorder happening frequency, how we can treat our diseases naturally, to heal them, to completely treat them. So these all faculties, all the teachers will be interacting here. So in coming days you are going to get from this channel very beneficial videos for you. So you must be connected with this platform, so that all the informations, all the release, official release or government release, whatsoever is it must reach you by time. So you have to subscribe this channel so that you could be connected, all the messages could reach to you on time. Therefore we will be interacting regularly with all the country people, all the national Indian people, national people, international people, also all the global communities, because WSSF is working in the direction of global peace, world peace. That's all. Thank you so much.